Paul Arguelles, Diego Domeldan, and Antonio Padilla. And when the bell rings, your man in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, the veteran, Referee Eduardo Nobleza. Introducing first. Fighting out of the corner, wearing a white with the black, official weight, 118.8 pounds. Proudly representing Aki Boxing Gym of Santa Cruz, Laguna. This is his professional boxing debut. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ronilio Jose Jr. And his opponent was fighting out of the red corner. Official weight, 111.8 pounds. Professional record, a veteran of 17 victories. 3 defeats with 4 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing Team 2 Joints and running out of Baltimore Lourdes Stable, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Lester Torres. Once again, sixes, here's referee Eduardo
Torres. Ganda ng ano mo. Round 1. Magkano bilhin mo ganyan yung camera? Ang grabe ko ano.
Kailan ako nagkaroon nito?
Anong klase?
Camera 360.
May ikot talaga yan. Sumusunod.
Round number 1.
Round 1. Ronilio versus Dorens.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to announce the presence of PBF President, Mr. Dante Almario. Palakpakan po natin, Sir Dante.
Si Dorens ay nakapulang glove at si Ronilio ay nakadilaw na glove. Taga Laguna yan si Ronilio. Veterano na to si Dorens na to, mga idol. Yung nakapulang glove, veterano na yan. Yung si Ronilio, yan ay debut pa lang niya yan. Unang laban pa lang niya. Veterano versus baguhan. Ang baguhan dito ay si Ronilio, nakadilaw na glove. At yung veterano ay si Dorens, yung nakapulang glove naman. Veterano lang kasi ito sa sa amateur to si Ronilio. Kaya isinabak siya sa veteranong profesional. Gandang record dito ni Ronilio Rosano sa amateur. Kaya niya tumanggap ng suntok ng veteranong profesional. Hindi tumama yung suntok ng Ronilio. 10 seconds. Uy, ganda ng laro. Oh,
And
time out.
round number one.
Nanggigil sa mukha. Okay, magsisimula na yung round 2. Simula na yung round 2.